Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable smart notifications in Twitch. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch application you will get so many options into this homepage. Now in order to enable smart notification, you have to tap into this box icon into the top. Just simply tap into that option, and as you can see here, this is the notification section. Now tap into the top right corner and go to the notification settings, and you will directly get the option of enable smart notifications. Now you just simply have to enable the toggle of enable smart notifications, and your smart notification will successfully be enabled in Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.